Experience audio nirvana with Bang & Olufsen. Ready to elevate your listening experience to unparalleled heights? Introducing the Bang & Olufsen Beoplay H95, where luxury meets acoustic perfection. These premium over-ear headphones deliver exceptional sound with advanced noise cancellation. Crafted with titanium drivers, lambskin leather, and memory foam, the H95 offers supreme comfort and lasting elegance. Enjoy up to 38 hours of playtime, immersing yourself in pure audio bliss. Effortlessly connect via Bluetooth 5.1 and fine-tune your listening experience with intuitive controls. The H95 includes a robust carrying case for secure storage on the go. Discover the Bang & Olufsen Beoplay H95 on Amazon. Indulge in a world of superior sound and sophisticated design. Click the link to learn more and experience audio redefined.